Welcome to RPUp. In this video, we'll talk interesting concept of new feature which is launched in UiPath. Before we proceed further, I just wanted to give you heads up where I'm planning to cover all the generative AI activities present in UiPath. If you wanted to learn all of them, feel free to watch my complete playlist. If you have not started, you can start with this video and go further with other part of the video where I will cover end to end all the activities with the set of examples. To begin with this first video I picked as generate email activity with the help of Gen AI activities. So this is one of the Gen AI activities. Have you ever crafted emails that match your brand's voice, whether it's for a product launch, a company wide update, or community outreach? This takes times. But what if you could generate well written on brand draft with just one click using UiPath Gen AI activities? In this video, we are diving into the UiPath Generative AI powered generate email activity. This activity helps you to generate email content tailored to your style, tone, and goals without opening a blank page. Now, question is, what kind of email do you usually spend the most time writing? Please add in the comment so that others can also view. To begin with this, we have just dragged and dropped generate email activity. Where in this, we are going to configure the email ID which it should pick. For that, you have to log in into this and then you can continue using it. Once we have this generate activity, you can see we can include salutations, which is majorly you can add if salutations are present or not. So here I'm just selecting true. Then salutation should be hello. Name, if you have any specific name, you can just add it, or even we can add variable. So whenever user will try to enter it, the user will add the name, we can add it. Finally, including sign off where I'm getting thank you. Even we can add cheers or any other text which you will prefer. Sign off name, we can add our own name. Now here we have to add email content. Whichever email contents you will prefer to add it, you can just specify. Majorly, this is a body part. As of now, I'm just keeping simple write email. Here I'm adding write email for informing managers that I will be on leave for 10 days. That is starting from 10th of April. Whenever we'll add this, you can add even generate language as well. Style is, you can see these are the style. If you want, we can select concise, vivid, any style you can add it. An output format, you can even select text or HTML, whichever you will prefer. If you have any examples, we can even add the example sections and post that we can go to the manage properties where we'll save the output into email output while creating the variables email output. Apart from that, we can also add number of words, how many words we will prefer to have. Accordingly, the generative AI content will generate the emails. Now to showcase in this examples, I'm including write line activities and will add here the output. We'll save and run this code and you'll see here we got exactly what you have written and send it out to your manager, which is interesting enough where you can add any text or any formats which you will prefer to add it. This time I'm changing style and adding HTML format. Post executions will see the output, and output will have changed format as well as this will consider in HTML format. It means with just a few inputs, we can now scale our email communications and focus more on strategy than writing or spending email than writing email. Even we can send it out meeting summaries or any actions which we will prefer that is doable. Now further actions I wanted to send email, and here we'll add body as email output. Within the send SMTP email message activity, we'll customize the property. So here we'll add as body HTML, provide the two, that is email ID where I wanted to send it out, then subject name as well. Whichever subject name you want, we can add it. Even if you have any variable created, that is fine, where you can include the variable name inside the subject. And before that, we are just taking get credentials where we have stored all those credentials into the orchestrator. From there, we are taking the credentials so that it will use for login. So username will be user name, and password I'm creating as new variable for password. Same thing will utilize it from Same thing will utilize it for doing the login in SMTP mail message activity, where we are configuring the username, password, as well as port number. Server also, we have to define the server name, and that's how it will work. Here, the Gmail actions are smtp.gmail.com. That's the reason we will just update it and then run the code. Execution has been started, and you can see the output with email send actions, where it will send it out email, which we can see it easily while doing login into our Gmail account. You can see this email is sent it out very carefully, and that's how it looks, where it is generated by the AI, and this is simple enough to have the final output generated. We don't have to worry about writing the text or adding the body. It will automatically be created with the Gen AI activities in UiPath. Now let me comment it out my previous activity and try to see these different options, where I will just add order confirmation email or promotional discount email, or we can also try it out for customer queries email as well. We have to just add some prompt, and based on this prompt, it will generate automatically email body, where we can add sign off email or anything whichever you will prefer, and that it will looks like this email is sent out by any end user or by any company. So taking some examples, consider we have customer care agent, where customer care agent is regularly replying back to the customer with some responses. These details are shared on email by company group email ID, which you can see live example here, where you have seen, hello John, thank you for making an order with the value, total amount, estimated delivery times, everything is automatically generated. We have to just straightforward add the prompt, small prompt, which will help you to generate email automatically. Second, I wanted to cover as promotional discount email, where we can send it out an email to the user, or maybe with customer feedback request, where we have to simply go to the email content, add simple text or prompt text, click on save, and based on this prompt message, it will automatically generate the responses. I am removing the comment out sections. I wanted to see this result in my Gmail body. We'll run this code, and this time we'll have the output generated with customer feedback. Because the subject name was different, that's the reason we got an error. But here we'll have proper response generated, and this will be available on our email ID. Now we are testing it, and we'll see the output in our Gmail. Responses generated, mail has been sent it out. Now we have final output available, where you can see subject name is this one, and the body is thank you for choosing recent purchase. We have hope you're absolutely thrilled for your new product. We would like to have the recent feedback about the product purchase, which is very simple enough, quick activity where we can add any actions or any prompt to generate the email quickly. Let's take an example where we have one person who is regularly replying to the customer with request for feedback form, which is time consuming and manual process. By doing that, the person will get frustrated to write down email for each of the customer, and doing this they might get bored, and that's where this type of activities plays an important role, where we can generate a number of feedback email by just taking out informations or just adding the prompt messages, where you can see this is the second email body which we have added, and you can even add the review form. This review form will be also automatically added by the Gen AI activities. And whenever we'll click on this, it will navigate us to the different page where we have lot of informations generated automatically without any issues or without any hurdle. So this UiPath email activity is intelligent enough to generate auto email, which will help industry to save lot of their time of resources, and that's where they will find it out. They can focus more on strategic tasks rather than doing this on manual activity. That's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. If you have any queries, questions, always reach out to us. If you wanted to learn more about UiPath, feel free to refer UiPath playlist, where I've already covered more than 40 videos related to UiPath, which starts from basics to the advanced level. Till next video, we'll see. Happy learning, and we'll see you in next part of the video. Thank you for watching.